Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So there's two ways you can access it and enable it, and we're gonna start with the notification panel. When you pull it down, can make it visible here by tapping on a little pencil icon, and you can see it right here in the list of deactivated ones, Do Not Disturb mode. So just tap on it, hold it, and then drag it over. Then you can go back. As you can see, now it's visible through here. You can just simply enable it by tapping on it, and once you do that, without like any setting up, it will act however it's set by default. And to see how it's set and also change it, you can hold it, the icon, and you'll get taken to the entire settings of the Do Not Disturb mode. So from here, when you disable it, you have a schedule as well that you can set. You can also add one, and you can change it by tapping on it right here, and have a time when you want it to work. So custom will be, tap on it once more, it will give you all the days of the week that you can just choose independently which one you want, or you can just set Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or every day. It's a matter of preference. Then start time, so choose when the Do Not Disturb mode turns on. Just keep it at 10 for instance, and then when it ends and it's set to 7 in the morning, it can also stay. And then when you go back, you can then enable it, and at this specific time from 10 to 7 in the morning, it will automatically turn on, and basically the Do Not Disturb mode will be working at that time. And you can also from here set how it works exactly. So calls, as you can see, allow interruptions, and you have options for calls and messages, and everybody will be able to interrupt you even though the Do Not Disturb mode will be on. Then contacts only, so everybody who's in your contact. Favorites, so whoever you have favorite as a contact, or no one, which is just totally silent. And messages should have the same options as you can see, so contacts, favorite, everyone, or no one. And yeah, basically now the interruptions will be excluded, so from the Do Not Disturb mode, whatever you have set, or as long as something is set apart from no one. And if you have it set with the schedule, you don't really need to enable it from here. It will just enable itself automatically. And if you want to just, I don't know, temporarily enable it, you can then tap it from here to enable it, like so. And it will take effect of whatever allow interruptions are set right here, and exclude whatever you have chosen here, while everything else will be in Do Not Disturb mode. So that is basically two ways you can make it work. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.